Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Xiaomi 12X. Okay, first of all, you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There you will find this little white box here. Just remove it like this, and if you open it like that, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it. So flap the wings a bit like this, and otherwise, by the way, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you don't use the hole which one is next to the SIM tray, because this is a microphone. Please take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, and as I said, take now the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter here the hole at the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card here on the top also a second one below. By the way, which one is SIM 1 or 2? It's always written here in the middle. SIM 1 or SIM 2. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You will place it like this here. So there's a missing corner and it goes to the missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are here on the top. Insert the SIM card well. You will hear a little click noise then. Okay. Then, if you want, you can insert also a second SIM card, as I said, on the other side. Same thing. Just fix it well. Okay. And as well here, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are here on the top. Sometimes you hear a little click noise, sometimes not, so but just fix it well, just press a bit on it and it's inserted if it looks like this. Okay, then let's insert the SIM tray in the phone again. So the first SIM card is here on the top, so to the display side. Okay, close it well, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.